Hey everybody, we're coming from the City Fish here in Morgan Hill, California. Got their clam chowder and a bread bowl. I feel like we're cheating on Vivlos, but you know, we're gonna give it a try here. Oh, look at that. Nice and creamy. Got some crab in there, clams, potatoes. These are really good. Yeah. Got a little fish and chips here too. A little lemon on there. Oh yeah. Put that breaded fish right there. That's fish and chips. Gotta have the chip. That's a thumbs up. Hey everybody, now we have the California fish sandwich, which is an Alaskan white polly fish. Nice fried breaded avocado. Smells so good. Nice fish sandwich. Fish is light. Nice texture.